Hey, welcome my inky friends to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Today's another one of those reviews that is going to be something different, something new, something fresh, something from far away, but I think it's pretty cool. So, here we go. And alright folks, here's the pen that I'll be reviewing today, and it's from Japan. It's a very cool pen, a very kind of different pen. For me, I think it's a very unique pen. It's got a lot going on with it. Got a lot of flavors going on with it. It comes in a pouch like this. It's a thicker pouch, not your usual thin one that you usually get. So this is totally different. I do like the feel. It's thicker. Keeps things more secure, in my opinion. So here is the pen. Right here. I'm kind of digging the light. I don't know if you're digging the light, but I'm digging the light. I think it's kind of cool. So anyway, let's see if we can get a real good close-up. And Mr. Announcer, what is the name of this pen?
It is the Fuliwen Egypt.
That's right. And it comes from Japan. I mean China, excuse me. So let's take a look at the barrel.
It's also listed with the name Mars on it too, but I'm not sure I understand that because it's all Egyptian hieroglyphics.
Right. So look at all the inscriptions on it and stuff. It's really interesting. If you're into this kind of stuff, then you may be liking this kind of pen. I think it's absolutely cool. Very cool. And let's go down the barrel. Can you see that pretty good? And let's turn it a little bit. Make sure we're getting a good close-up of it. I want people to really see all the detail in this pen. There's a lot of detail. Okay? Alright, so in the description box, it does say this is a brass metal, huge size fountain pen. And the diameter is 15 millimeters. And it unscrews. Does it post? Yes, it does. And nice and securely. It's a heavy pen, but not so heavy it's uncomfortable in the hand. For me, it's just fine. And at the bottom of this barrel, that's the only thing on there. It matches the rest of the pen. And you go down the barrel, and you have a small grip section. There's no drop off. It goes right into it, which is really cool. So the diameter of the grip section is 10 millimeters. Capped, the length of the pen is 15 millimeters. It is a screw-on cap. And the total weight of the pen is 57 Gs. Now the nib is a medium. And they have it 5.58 millimeters and then hyphen 0.7 millimeters. So I'm kind of thinking kind of in between maybe. And when you open the barrel, it does come with a converter. Regular standard converter, no biggie on that. Pull out, push in. So we're going to set this big guy here, and I'll be right back. Let me find something in here I want to check out. Here is the Mont Blanc 159. Oh yeah, way bigger than that, right? Right. And then here, 149, I'm sorry, this is the 149. Blah. And now here's the 159. and then the 149. More girth on the 159. Of course, this is a bit longer than the 159. But we're not done, because it has my interest. So, let's see how much the 159 is. Okay. Well, the 159 is going to come in at 47.8 G's, where this one comes in at 57 G's. So you're talking about maybe kind of like a 10 G difference. Not really, just a tab difference than the 159, okay? Now, I can hear people now saying that's too heavy to write with. And it could be for you. I'm not you. And you could be exactly 1,000% right. But for me, I have found it not difficult in any way, form, or fashion to write with. Very lovely pen, and it writes extremely well. I've written some long letters with it, and my hand didn't get tired. But again, we both are different. So, you know, when I first saw this pen, I was saying, good looking pen, but how does it write? Well, let me show you how it writes. Let me pull out this paper from Frank Federalist Pens and Paper, and it's called the
Ayush paper.
And this from India. Indian paper. Good stuff. Good stuff. So if you want some of this paper, get on the horn and get a hold of Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper. And I think he's still doing a discount code with me. Use Larry what?
Larry 10.
Larry 10. Every little bit counts. So here we're going to go. We're going to go right below here. And we're going to do some writing fun. So here we go with this beautiful fountain pen. Okay. Here we go. Number 6 nib. So you can change that out with another number 6 nib, and take a real good look at the nib. And it does have Fuliwen on it with a M for medium, and of course 18 kVG. That's gold plated. So your basics on that. Lazy dog. All right. And we'll just do a few swirls there. And some reverse writing. And there you have it. Not a problem. Downstroke, cross stroke. And there the nib was not to paper. That is to paper. Sometimes I tend to pick up the nib, but like that right there. and that's fast. So let's try it fast. Let me check my ink level, because like I said, I've been using this pen for a while, and it is getting low on ink. And after I run out of ink, what I do is I'll clean it out, then I'll grab another one. So we'll see how this thing, it's got a little bit of ink in it. So I just finished it up, downstroke and cross stroke. Fast. You can tell down there we're starting to run out of ink, and I had to give it the last bit of ink that's left in it. But it's a great writer. You can find this pen on eBay. I think it's like 30 bucks. Is it worth 30 bucks? For sure. That's a great deal on this pen. Wetness. It does lay down the ink, and I'm using Sailor Epinard. There. That is a nice pen. Super. Cool. All right. There you have it. So, what do you think about the pen? What do you think about this pen? In fact, will that hold it? Or I can try this one. I know what I'll try. Where's Godzilla? Let Godzilla hold this pen. What do you think? What do you think, Godzuki? Oh, yeah. They're my man, Godzy baby. Yeah. La, la. So, that is a cool looking pen. Fit comfortable in the hand. Just 10 G's more than the Jinhao 159. A little bit longer than the 159, but not a lot. You have a nice, large-sized pen. So if you have large hands, you'll love this pen. If you have small hands, and my hands are small, I really enjoy the pen. For 30 bucks, you're going to get your money's worth and then some. You know, like Pilot Metropolitan, the Lamy Safari, Pilot Varsity pens. I'm just trying to think of other pens that kind of fall in this price bracket that you're going to get your money's worth, right? Right. So, no, it's not a Lamy. No. But, you know, it's a decent pen. So, that's going to say, adios, amigo. That's going to wrap this up. And until my next visit, be safe. Be cool like your school. And don't forget, don't text and drive. And lots of love, peace, and hugs. We are done. Goodbye.